Hello everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Brio 4K webcam. This is a high-end webcam that's perfect for video conferencing, live streaming, and content creation. We'll be taking a closer look at its features, testing its video quality, and sharing our overall thoughts on this webcam. This camera was sent to me for review by Logitech, so thank you Logitech for sending this here.
But before I start, I wanted to give a special shout out to Play.ht for sponsoring this video. Play.ht is an incredible text-to-speech platform that I've used to create the voiceover for this video. With Play.ht, you can create high-quality voiceovers for your videos in just a few clicks. They offer a range of features that make it easy to generate natural-sounding voices, so I highly recommend checking them out. Thank you, Play.htai, for sponsoring this video, and links for their premium plan and features will be in the description of the video.
Let's start by unboxing the Logitech Brio 4K webcam. We have the webcam itself, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. Now let's take a closer look at the features of this webcam. Brio 4K webcam is capable of capturing video at a resolution of up to 4096 x 2160 pixels, which is 4 times the resolution of Full HD. It also features high dynamic range HDR imaging, which captures a wider range of colors and brightness levels, resulting in more realistic and vibrant images. Additionally, the webcam has a 90-degree field of view, autofocus, automatic light correction, and a built-in privacy shutter for security. To install the Brio 4K webcam, simply plug it into a USB port on your computer using the USB-C cable. The webcam is plug and play, so you don't need to install any drivers or software to use it. However, if you want to access the webcam's advanced settings, you can download the Logitech Capture software from the Logitech website. The software is free and easy to use, and it lets you adjust settings like exposure, color balance, and field of view. Now let's test the video quality of the Logitech Brio 4K webcam. The footage the webcam produces is clear and sharp video with vibrant colors. The HDR technology really makes a difference, especially when it comes to the colors. Even in low light conditions, the webcam does a great job of adjusting the brightness and making sure you always look your best. Overall, the Logitech Brio 4K webcam is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a high-quality webcam. Its 4K resolution HDR imaging, and other features make it stand out from other webcams on the market. If you're a content creator, live streamer, or someone who needs a webcam for video conferencing, the Logitech Brio 4K webcam is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials.